So this is very common question in the last question of paper 2. There is a set of data. You don't know how does it look like, but you may just simply let x1, x2, and then x10, let's say there are 10 data, for example. And then there are some transformation. The first transformation is each data we are going to times 6. So this will become 6x1, x2, 6x10, something like that. And then another transformation is plus 5. So this will become 6x1 plus 5, 6x2 plus 5, so on and so on, 6x10 plus 5. And then what happened to the mean? Because every data is times 6 and also we shift up by 5. So of course the mean m will become 6m plus 5. So the first statement is correct. Now we are talking about the range here. The range in the original set of data is equal to x10 minus x1. And then the new range is equal to 6, the maximum, x10 plus 5, and then minus 6x1 plus 5. So 5 and 5 here is cancelled out, and only 6x10 minus x1. So you'll find that the difference is expanded by 6 times, but because both of them plus 5 will not affecting the range, it won't spread wider. So the second statement is wrong. The correct range should be 6R only. And then when we talk about the variance, variance is equal to SD squared. So it's not the same scale as our data. Our data is the same scale. Let's say X is the same scale as the mean and also SD, but variance are different. Variance is equal to the square level. So if the original variance is equal to V, then the new variance, if it times 6, then will become 6 square V. Not only 6 times, but 6 square times, because it's the square level stuff. And then plus 5, this action will totally do not affect variance or standard deviation. It's because every item plus 5 is one spread wider or more concentrated. So that's why plus 5 have no effect to the variance and SD. If every data times 6, then the variance will be increased by 6 square times, but not just 6 times. So this statement is also wrong. The answer is 1 only.